John, you're a financial planner. What is financial planning?
Well, I'm going to start off by saying something kind of stupid. Okay, so financial planning is really, at its heart, it's planning. You know, whether we're talking about nutritional planning or whether we're talking about, a fitness plan, it gets down to just really the basics of planning. And in financial planning, what we're really doing is we're taking a deep dive into what are your resources as a couple, what are your liabilities, what are the things that you owe, and what are the things that you own. We look at those things and try to organize them in ways to say, how can we efficiently get the outcomes that this couple's looking for? How can we efficiently use the resources they have over time to accomplish the goals they want? But that really brings up a really big problem, Jeff, and that is that in the nearly 30 years that I've been doing this, most couples don't come in knowing what it is they actually are wanting to achieve.
They don't know where they're headed?
They haven't made that big decision yet of what it is that we want to do, what it is that we want to build as a couple or a family. Let me give you kind of a simple example. Some friends and I have made a decision that we're going to go hike the Grand Canyon in October from rim to rim. It's 24 miles, all the way down one side, across the bottom, across the river, and up the other side in one day. That decision has some pretty powerful implications. It has implications on how I'm going to be utilizing my time and my energy, and I need to do some planning because I know I look like I'm totally fit enough to go do that today, but the reality is I'm not. So, I'm going to have to think about what do I eat and how do I exercise and how do I plan and how do I train? And this is going to have implications for my family. What do I do? What am I doing on the weekends with them or not with them? So that big decision, making that big decision, and everybody's going to have a different decision for it. But as a couple, once you've really decided what it is that you want to build, that is what really triggers the success. That's what really triggers making serious progress on what financial planning is all about. It's there to achieve a goal. Hi, I'm John. I'm a financial planner.
And I'm Jeff. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist. And if you like our videos, please like and subscribe on your screen.
And if you want to learn more or take our first class for free, go to relational-media.com to learn more.